Nutrient management in crops. Nutrient management in crops is very crucial to harness the full potential of crop for optimized yields. For proper nutrient management in crops, it is essential to get soils tested to understand the nutrient status in soil base. This helps in designing crop and location-specific nutrient management strategies accordingly. Soil testing program. It has 4 phases, namely collection of soil sample, chemical analysis of soil, calibration and interpretation, recommendation, collection of soil samples. The standard plot size for soil sampling collection is 1 hectare, from which soil samples are collected at least 8 to 10 sites. Clean the site with spade from where soil sample is to be collected. Dig a V-shaped pit of 15 to 22 centimeters depending on the crops for which nutrient management strategies has to be designed. 15 centimeters V-shaped pit for shallow-rooted crops like rice, finger millet, groundnut, pearl millet, small millets, etc. 22 centimeters V-shaped pit for deep-rooted crops like cotton, sugarcane, banana, tapioca, vegetables, etc. 30, 60, 90 centimeters V-shaped pit for perennial crops, plantations and orchard crops. Soil samples are collected at 3 depths as mentioned. Take out the soil slice, like bread slice, of ½ inch thick from both the exposed surface of the V-shaped pit from top to bottom and collected in a bucket. Soil samples are collected at 8 to 10 sites in a zigzag manner. Take such soil sample collected on a piece of cloth or gunny bag and mix thoroughly. Discard stones or gravels from the sample. Divide the entire soil sample into 4 quarters. Discard soils in opposite quarters and mix rest of the soil. Repeat the process till we get 500 grams of soil sample. Dry the sample under shade and fill it in polythene bag. Furnish following information in 2 sheets of thick paper. 1 sheet is folded and kept inside the bag. Another sheet is folded and attached with the bag. Name and address of the farmer. Name of the block. Plot number or any other number that identifies the plot. Soil texture: sandy, clay or loam. Availability of irrigation facilities. Availability of drainage system. Upland, medium land, lowland. Depth of soil sample. Information of the previous crop. Name and variety of the crop. Dose of organic manure if applied. Yield. Informations of the crop that will be grown. Name and variety of the crop. Season: pre-kharif, kharif, rabi. Problem, if any. Date of sample collection. Signature of the farmer. Following precautions to be taken while collecting the soil sample. Avoid sampling near bunds, channels, marshy spots, trees, recently manured areas, compost pits, any other abnormal spots and other non-representative locations. Following precautions to be taken in storage of soil samples. Avoid contact with chemicals, fertilizers or other manures. Avoid using cotton, jute or plastic bags, which had previously been containing fertilizers, salt or lime. Soil samples should preferably be stored in clean cloth or polythene bags. Chemical analysis of soil. After collection, soil samples to be sent to reliable soil testing labs for analysis. Interpretation of soil test results. Once the soil test reports are obtained, farmers should be helped with interpretation of results that helps in need-based application of nutrients in crop. Steps in interpretation of soil test results. Rating of nutrients based on soil test results. Obtain soil nutrient chart from nearest KVK or Agriculture University. General rating charts are as follows. For pH, for organic carbon percentage, for electrical conductivity, for macronutrients, A. Primary nutrients, B. Secondary nutrients, for micronutrients. Example, if organic carbon is less than 0.2, very low. pH is less than 6, acidic. EC is less than 1, normal. To recommend nutrient management of crops, identify the crop to being planned by a farmer to grow in that particular field. Look for recommended dose of nutrients for crops selected, as recommended by Agriculture University in jurisdiction. Increase or decrease the recommended dose of nutrients according to the category as mentioned. Very high, reduce the nutrient by 50%. High, reduce the nutrient by 25%. Moderate, apply recommended dose of nutrients. Moderately high, apply recommended dose of nutrients. Low, apply 25% more nutrients. Very low, apply 50% more nutrients. Example, nutrient status of different manures. Bulk manures, meal group manures, oil cakes, edible oil cakes,